Hey fam, so I wanted to just give you a quick update on my lock journey. First of all, y'all see I can shake my lock? Y'all see that? Hold on. You see the bounce? See the bounce? You see the bounce? So this month we are in April and I am at 5 months lock. 5 months, y'all. Like, I feel like it went by fast, but it is growing. We are thriving. We are washing now without banding. Speak to me nicely. Shout out to my loctician, Shanice. But super happy with this journey. I am loving every stage from day one, still locked in, and we're using the Jamaican collection right now because moisture, yes, love it down. And what else am I using? The mousse is my favorite product right now. And y'all know I don't be saying favorite, but the mousse is my favorite product because these curls need to be popping. But yes, 5 months locked in. Thank you guys for being on this journey with me and super excited to just continue to share with you guys. If you have a question for me about my journey so far, leave it below and I'll definitely comment and answer. Bye.